I've been coming to North Carolina for about the past 25 years. I just recently, a couple of years ago, discovered Southport and St. James. Once I came here, I knew that this was the place for me to live. When I first decided to look for houses in Southport, I was taken to St. James and I visited quite a few neighborhoods, and I really fell in love with the Cottage Lakes. Everything that I had heard about Logan was that they're very organized, quick, and really meet the needs of the buyers. So that was how I made my decision. I chose the Saybrook floor plan as I loved the way the design fit the lifestyle that I plan on living. When I personalized my home, I wanted to create an open feel. I wanted telescopic windows from the living room into the screened-in porch. I also wanted hardwood floors throughout the home. Most of the other design features, I did some upgrades, but I didn't really feel like I needed to modify it too much, as everything that is provided by Logan is really all that I needed. The communication experience that I had with Logan was really second to none. From the time that I decided to buy the land to when I actually closed, communications were weekly, if not more often. I always knew what was going on. I couldn't say anything better about the communications. One of the reasons why I moved to this area and I really enjoy it is that it really fulfills the lifestyle that I want. For instance, I love being 10 minutes from the beach. I love the fact that I could walk to the fitness center. I could play golf on 4 different courses. I mean, what more do you need? The design center process was so organized. You start from one section of the house and you continue through so that everything coordinates with each other. The design consultant keeps you focused. By the time you leave, you know that every choice that you made is the right choice because of the guidance that you received. I would definitely recommend Logan Homes to anyone considering building in the area. The people, the process, the end result, second to none.